Happy Friday, Budget Friends. My name is SilynthiaC, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs, as well as a Ko-Fi shop, which I will have linked down below. Today we're going to work on our Freebie Fridays. So, with everything going on in the economy, I've got to rethink my plan. I had a plan, and I was pretty sure it was going to be a solid one. And we know a lot about budgeting is the ever-changing part of it. It's not always going to be the same. We're going to have to make adjustments. We're going to have to reevaluate. We're going to have to figure out what do we need in order to succeed with our budget. I'm going to have to work on that. My Freebie Fridays were being set up for me to pay my insurance in the bulk of 6 months. And that's typically how I like to do my insurance, is pay every 6 months. Well, I was going to say $450, two reasons. One, that would cover my 6 months. And then the second reason was because I wanted to increase my coverage. What I noticed with the economy, I'm going to have to rethink this. I'm going to have to figure out what do I need. I get it's a part of it, but it's a little bit frustrating for me. We're going to go ahead and work on our Freebie Friday savings challenges today. Then I will count up how much money I actually have saved so far. To maintain my coverage that I have now on my car, I need $320. The reason I have to reevaluate mostly is because I am a recipient of the SNAP benefits, and they cut those for the month of November, possibly going through December. And I knew at some point we would not be keeping them, and my goal was to just use them as needed in this time. I'm in need of them, but I also can figure out a way. There has to be a way, you know what I mean, where I can add this into my budget and figure out where that money's going to come from to provide for my children. My hope was that I wouldn't need to come off of them until January after the holidays. That's what my plan was originally. And now we just got to figure this part out. And so we're going to focus on still maintaining and collecting the money for my for my car insurance. That's going to be very important because I still need my car insurance. But then I also need to focus on what am I going to do in terms of grocery money. But let's count up what we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We have 40 bucks here, and that's what I'm working with. So I went ahead and found the change ahead of time. So yay for me. I have my 6-sided die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is how we're going to work this. I'm going to leave the money just like it is. Roll the dice, see which envelope is getting the cash. I don't believe we have any that are closed. But let's see what we've got going on. My brain's going a million miles per hour, so you're going to have to excuse myself and my brain, for the way things are going to be during this video. 1, 3, 5, 6, 4, 1, 6, 1, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 6, and 2. All right, 2. I see you, boo. What I wanted to share with you is that sometimes I do receive help from my kiddo's dad, and he was in a really bad accident, and so he's going to be out of commission for a while. Maybe not a while, but long enough where in the month of November I may not receive help from him, if any at all. Like I don't see there being a way for him to help under the circumstances. So that was the other thing I was thinking, oh my goodness, I really have to figure out, because sometimes I could say, hey, it just, something's better than nothing, and that would help move the needle a little bit in terms of my finances. But in this situation, there's just no way. Yeah. So with that, my kiddos are processing, seeing him, in his situation, and he's got a real good sense of humor. And while we are not married, and while we are not rekindling, and while we are not romantic or anything like that, we're still co-parents and trying to be or maintain a friendship. So I was very upset to see him in his state of physical being, but also I'm grateful that he's alive. So there's that. But without that little bit of support and being able to say, hey, look, step up. And, I don't have that going forward for a while. I need to figure this out. That's why I said I'm going to revisit my budget. And it may come to the point where I have to say, okay, well, these funds may need to go towards groceries. And then I'll have to figure out moving forward what my next step is. Because this was supposed to be, at the end of November, I was supposed to be able to pay for my insurance. I had big plans. So these were originally supposed to be $2, but I think we're going to go ahead and make them $1 and see what we can get done here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10. This savings challenge I got from the Nightlife. These are all freebies, hence the reason Freebie Friday. I will let you know if ever I do have savings challenges that I did pay for or were gifted that do cost money. But I thought this was super duper cute, and you're going to see the Halloween theme, and I believe we have one more Friday. And then we'll move on to our more festive Thanksgiving. Okay, so that's our first one. All right, and this is my breast cancer awareness savings challenge. We're adding $1 more here. This one I got, so this one I got from Beautifully Me and You, and it was a freebie from her shop, or no, it was a freebie from her channel. So I will make sure to link all these ladies down below so you can check it out. This one is supposed to save me $88, but I think I'm going to do the sum method on a couple of these and then figure out how we're going to proceed. And given the circumstances, I may not complete all of these savings challenges, but that's okay. All right, so in total, this savings challenge now has $3. All right, next up, this savings challenge I got from She's Got It. We are adding $5, $6, $7. Oh, we had $7 last time. All right, so let's just do this 5 and a 2, making it 7. This one is supposed to save me a total of $30. My creepy savings challenge. All right, now in total I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, this savings challenge I got from Lil's World, and we need 2, 4, 6 to complete it. Woohoo! We completed a savings challenge. 5, 6. So we'll set this dollar here. That way we can figure out where we can actually put it. All right, we're gonna put that there. In total, I saved 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, $24. Wonderful. This saving challenge I got from Neen's Budgets. We're adding $5, $6, $7, and each of these are worth 2, 4, 6. Should we add the other dollar there? Well, let's see where we need it first. How about I'm just going to set this here and see where we need. Oh my goodness, she's so creepy. All right, and then this savings challenge I got from Budget with Taylor, and we're adding $5, $6, $7, $8. $8 here. So we have we have 7. What we have left is 7, 7, and 6. I think what we'll do is mark off 7. Perfect. And then we'll fold this dollar so we know that it hasn't been added. It hasn't been added on our savings challenge sheet. Oh, how I wish I had more money right now to do this. I would complete more. But I've got to be patient with myself, and I've got to be realistic with my expectations of myself. That's all there is to it. We have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Actually, $30? What? It says I'm supposed to save more than that. Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see. All right, and I think we'll go ahead and add this other dollar to Needs Budgets Savings Challenge, and then that way we can mark off one more. That much closer to getting it completed. So we'll add this dollar here. Oops, wrong color. Wrong color all over. All right, making a mess. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, let's count this one. That's what I need to do. All right, in total I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, what do I need to do to make sure? Should I move this one over? Nah, we'll just leave it and put it in the back. I like the tabs to be in order, but it's okay. We'll be fine, won't we? We'll be fine. We did complete one savings challenge today, though. That's exciting. And what we can do is, I was going to add up more savings challenges, but what I really need to do is see what's happening here. Just because we know that coming next month is going to be Thanksgiving, so I wanted to move on to the fall themes. This savings challenge completed. Let's add this cash. Oh man, you gotta do better, Silenthia. Perfect, perfect. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 120, that's amazing. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm almost halfway there to my goal of $320, which was just adjusted recently. So there's that. Okay, sorry, my kiddos are knocking on the door. All right, so we have this cash that we've gotten completed so far. You know what? I don't even know how much is total in these savings challenges, but what I want to do is next Friday come back together and do another Freebie Friday cash stuffing, see where we're at. Once I do that, then I can try to focus on making sure I have a plan in place of what it's going to look like or what it needs to look like. I do have until the end of November, not technically not the very end, but I have until November to pay my, oh my goodness, my kitty he's being greedy right now. He wants my time. I have until November to figure out my car insurance, but I didn't want to wait until the last minute. I want to be prepared. If there's any changes, any updates, if they increase the cost or anything like that, I want to make sure that I am prepared for it. And this is just for basic car insurance because what I was trying to do was save enough money to increase my coverage, and that's not a part of my journey right now. I've got to be realistic, and that's part of budgeting as well. While there's changes and things taking place, I need to be able to pivot and make those changes, but also I need to make realistic expectations of my finances. Okay, we did a thing. Freebie Friday completed. I'm so glad about it. I was actually thinking about canceling it all and just putting this money into an envelope for groceries, which I don't know, that may be the case, just because I do have a little bit of time to pay my car insurance. Also, I am working on saving for Christmas and then also my month ahead bills. It doesn't include the car insurance, but month ahead is my normal, not normal, but four walls bills. Those are the ones I'm working on. At this point, there's cash here if I need it for groceries, but I also would like to see myself make some good choices and be able to provide groceries on a regular basis for my family. I don't know how I'm going to work that into my budget, but maybe run a playlist. The money I did have that I got from my YouTube paycheck went towards my car tags. So there's that. Yeah, and I still need other car work done, but we're gonna figure it out. And I always believe God will provide, and that's just that. Some people just don't see it that way, and that's okay. But I mean, I'm here, and I'm still pushing through. So that's all I can do at this point. But you guys, I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing my next video. And also hype this video. Hype it up, hype it, so other people can enjoy my Freebie Fridays. And I'm sorry that I'm not full of excitement. Usually I'm not very exciting, but I can feel the difference where, this video is doing, but just got to get through it. I think the part of me that would rather not record is sitting on one of my shoulders like, why are we doing this? But we're going to keep recording. We're going to keep trying to push through and see what we can do, because this is a part of the journey, right? The struggle is a part of the journey. But that's it for now. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye, guys.